Managing a population of Microsoft Windows systems can be difficult if too many users have local admin rights. These allow them to install or change whatever they like, which may cause security concerns or clash with other applications. Fooling the user to install malware can take many forms. Phishing the user via an email is still unfortunately very effective. Useful software with malware wrappers is all over the internet. But taking away local admin rights can mean a lot more work for the IT team. Users always need new software and updates, which need elevated privileges to install. This is why we've built our Privileged Endpoint Management product. In essence, it allows the organization to remove the local admin rights from the user, but associate the rights with approved, legitimate applications and processes, whilst auditing every elevation. Now your users can get on with their jobs, and the IT team will feel safe knowing that only legitimate applications can be run. However, there are so many different employees with different needs, it can be hard to know what is and isn't legitimate. With PEM's learning mode, you can start by taking away all local admin rights day one, although you're more likely to start with specific AD groups. Users continue to work as normal while we learn baselines of what user groups really need. These baselines drive your first policies. If you have any applications blacklisted, these policies take precedence, even in learning mode. From learning, you can switch into default mode, where only whitelisted applications may be elevated. If a user then encounters a new application they need to install or run, they can request an allow policy. Within PEM, we can see the attempt to run the new application and use this information to create a new policy. Subsequent users who wish to use the new application will be granted automatic access. With PEM, it is the process that is elevated, not the user's account. This means PEM maintains user context, therefore files, etc. are saved to the user's defaults rather than administrator defaults. It's all about managing many users and many applications with minimal effort and maximum compliance. There you are, endpoint protection, a secure, job done tick. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch.